Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Daikon to tebamoto no Nimono. Nimono literally translates simmered things. Ni means to simmer and mono means things. So you can make Nimono with any ingredients you like. Today, I'm going to simmer some daikon radish and chicken wing sticks. And I'm going to add some boiled eggs too, just because I like it. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this daikon to tebamoto no Nimono. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Daikon radish, about this much. 4 eggs, 8 to 12 chicken wing sticks, some garlic, as much as you like, 2 teaspoons of hondashi, instant Japanese soup stock, 2 tablespoons each of sugar and soy sauce, and 3 tablespoons each of sake and mirin. Let's make some boiled eggs first. I just need 4, but I'm cooking 10 because I'm having it anyway. Make small cracks at the bottom of the eggs. Pointy side, round side, on this side. Put some water, about halfway up the eggs. Cover it and bring it to boil. Once it comes to boil, turn the heat to low but keep it simmering and cook for 8 minutes. Cook for 8 minutes. Let's release them in cold water to stop cooking. Let's cut the daikon radish. Peel the skin. Cut it into half long ways. Then 1-inch slices. All the ingredients are ready, so it's time to cook them. Heat up a pot or frying pan over medium heat and let's sear the chicken first. Skin side facing down, no oil needed. And just sear them until these are nicely browned. That's good. Turn the heat to low, add 1 cup of water and all these seasonings, including the garlic. Sugar, soy sauce, sake, mirin, hondashi, and garlic. Skin removed already. Give it a mix. Then add daikon radish. Put the lid on and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes as you mix them from time to time until the daikon radish is all nice and soft. I simmered it for 20 minutes. Let's check if the daikon radish is well cooked. The toothpick can easily go through. That means it's cooked. Kill the heat and let's add the eggs. Shell removed already. And try to put the eggs in the broth. Put the lid back on and cool it down to room temperature. And it's good today, but it's much better tomorrow. So I'm going to wait until tomorrow. It's day 2 and here is the Nimono I made yesterday. You can see how everything is well cooked and soaked up the broth. Let's reheat it and serve. And daikon to tebamoto no nimono is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. The beauty of the dish is the daikon radish. It soaked up the savory broth with hint of garlic and it almost melts in your mouth. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Daikon to tebamoto no nimono is the main, so let's put it here. plain rice here, and onion miso soup or any soup you like here. Anything you like for the side dishes, but I think I want to have something green. So let's have broccoli no gomae for one of them, and some sort of pickles, either homemade or store-bought for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!